Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P04F0-92 is triggered when the evaporative emission (EVAP) system detects an incorrect purge flow. This abnormality indicates that the purge flow from the EVAP canister does not meet expected parameters during operation. The vehicle uses a powertrain control module, PCM, to monitor the EVAP canister purge valve's functionality. When the valve is functioning correctly, but the expected flow is not detected, the PCM logs this error code. This code is crucial to address as it relates to the vehicle's emission system efficiency and overall performance. A persistent error may lead to more significant issues, such as failing emissions tests or degrading fuel efficiency. The DTC P04F0-92 primarily affects the EVAP canister purge valve, which plays a crucial role in managing fuel vapors trapped in the EVAP canister. Located near the fuel tank, this valve allows fuel vapors to be purged into the engine for combustion when conditions are right. The fuel tank system is instrumental in retaining these vapors until they can be purged effectively. The engine control module, ECM, monitors this system through various sensors to ensure proper functionality. Additionally, the enhanced leak check module, ELCM, coordinates these interactions, ensuring that any leaks are identified and rectified. Any malfunction in these components can significantly impact the vehicle's emission performance and overall efficiency. The DTC P04F0-92 may be caused by several factors. A common issue is a faulty EVAP canister purge valve, which may become stuck, either open or closed, affecting the flow of fuel vapors. Additionally, blockages in either EVAP purge system 1 or 2 can hinder the expected flow, leading to the detection of incorrect purge flow. These blockages can arise from debris, clogged hoses, or damaged components. Leakage in any part of the EVAP system can also trigger this code by allowing fuel vapors to escape instead of being directed back into the engine. Each of these factors disrupts the normal functioning of the EVAP system, leading to potential compliance issues and reduced engine performance. Symptoms resulting from DTC P04F0-92 include increased emissions, which can lead to environmental concerns and potential legal ramifications in regions with strict emissions regulations. Drivers may observe a noticeable drop in fuel efficiency due to improper purging, preventing the combustion of vaporized fuel. This may increase fuel consumption and repair costs over time. Additionally, a check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to potential issues that require immediate attention. Lingering symptoms without resolution could lead to further complications, affecting not just the emission system, but the overall engine performance as well. The first troubleshooting step for resolving DTC P04F0-92 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the onboard systems to initiate a diagnostic self-check. Following this, the technician should select the EVAP purge flow check test through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This test assesses the operation of the EVAP system by verifying if the purge valve operates properly under various conditions. If the test results indicate failure, further diagnostics are warranted to determine if there is a malfunction in the devices responsible for managing the purge flow. In the second step, the technician should conduct a thorough inspection of the EVAP canister purge valve. This component is pivotal in controlling the flow of fuel vapors from the EVAP canister to the engine. The valve should be tested for proper function, ensuring it opens and closes as expected when commanded by the PCM. Testing should include assessing whether the valve is stuck open or closed, and if it can hold pressure when vacuum is applied. If the valve is found defective, replacement is necessary to restore the correct purge flow and eliminate the DTC. The third troubleshooting step involves checking Evap Purge System 1 for any blockages or leaks. This system is crucial for transporting fuel vapors to the engine during combustion. Technicians should inspect hoses and connectors for physical damage and ensure there are no obstructions preventing vapor flow. A vacuum test may also be performed to ascertain the integrity of the system. Any signs of leakage or blockage must be addressed immediately, as they can hinder system functionality and result in further emission-related issues. In the fourth step, technicians should perform an inspection of Evap Purge System 2. Similar to the first system, any blockages or leaks could significantly impact the functionality of the Evap system. This entails disconnecting relevant hoses and conducting individual checks on the connectors and tubing to assess for wear or damage. Utilizing a vacuum pump can help verify that the system can maintain the necessary pressure when sealed. It is crucial to resolve any identified issues promptly to ensure the emission system operates effectively. Step 5 focuses on inspecting the Enhanced Leak Check Module (ELCM) system. As this system works in conjunction with the Evap components, any blockage or leakage can lead to incorrect diagnostic readings and affect how the vehicle manages fuel vapors. A thorough visual inspection should be conducted for any signs of physical damage, as well as a functional test to ensure it operates accurately. Ensuring that the ELCM is clear from obstructions is crucial to maintain the integrity of the entire Evap system. Addressing issues at this stage can prevent future complications with the emission system. The sixth step involves a careful inspection of the main flap unit, which serves to regulate fuel vapor flow. Careful assessment is needed to determine if the shutoff valve is functioning correctly. It should be closed when not in use and free of any damage to the seals. These seals are essential for preventing leaks during regular operation. Any signs of wear or malfunctioning seals can compromise the effectiveness of the Evap system, leading to incorrect emissions readings. Restoring this unit to full functionality can substantially improve vehicle performance and compliance with emission regulations. In Step 7, technicians need to inspect the fuel tank system for any possible leaks. This inspection is crucial as it ensures the integrity of the tank in retaining fuel and vapor. Disconnecting vent tubes and conducting a vacuum test will help determine if there are any leaks within the system. Such leaks not only affect fuel efficiency, but can also lead to a serious compliance issue regarding emissions. Any identified leaks must be rectified immediately to restore proper fuel tank functionality and ensure the vehicle remains compliant with emission standards. The eighth step involves a thorough inspection of the Evap canister. This component is key in storing fuel vapors until they can be utilized by the engine. The technician should check for any signs of leakage or blockages that could impede its functionality. This involves disconnecting relevant tubes and conducting tests to evaluate whether the canister effectively holds vacuum. Identifying and remedying any leaks or blockages is vital to ensure optimal operation of the Evap system and prevent further diagnostic trouble codes from arising. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the Evap Leak Check Module. Should all previous inspections yield normal results, this module is typically the last component to evaluate. A defective Evap Leak Check Module can lead to erroneous DTC readings and thus requires testing to ascertain its proper function. If the module fails to operate within specified parameters, replacement or repair may be necessary. Ensuring that the leak check module is fully functional is vital for the overall performance and accuracy of the emission system diagnostics. After completing all repair steps, the final verification requires using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm that the repairs have successfully resolved the issue. This involves running a series of tests to check for any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to the EVAP system. Ensuring that no codes reappear or remain in the system underscores the efficacy of the conducted repairs. If any codes persist, further investigation may be necessary to identify underlying issues. This verification process is crucial in guaranteeing that the EVAP system is operating correctly and in compliance with emission standards. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding future incidents of DTC P04F0-92. Regular inspections of EVAP system components are crucial for identifying potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. Technicians should also perform periodic system diagnostics as part of routine servicing, which can include monitoring for performance metrics, inspections for wear, and conducting pressure tests. This proactive approach can mitigate the risk of triggering DTCs and help maintain vehicle performance and efficiency. Keeping a close eye on these components ensures longevity and reliability of the EVAP system and the vehicle overall. In conclusion, addressing DTC P04F0-92 promptly is crucial for maintaining the integrity and performance of the EVAP system in the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus. Regular monitoring of the EVAP components and immediate action on any detected issues can prevent emissions-related problems and maintain vehicle compliance with environmental regulations. Proper troubleshooting steps, inspection of various components, such as the EVAP canister purge valve, EVAP purge systems, and others, is vital in resolving the issue effectively. Adhering to preventive maintenance recommendations will further enhance the vehicle's reliability and performance, ensuring a continual smooth operation for drivers. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.